Hi everyone, welcome to the Stroud Valley YouTube channel, and this time it is competition time. So we are doing a competition for the worldwide Jambowlree. The worldwide Scout 10-pin bowling competition is open to all sections, so I'm opening this to all sections of Stroud Valley. That is Beavers, Cubs, Scouts, Explorers and Network, if you have not already participated. The Jambowlree competition is to do 10-pin bowling, either on the Wii or making your own 10-pin bowling game. So 5 runners-up will get this badge, which is the Worldwide Jambowlree badge, Jambowlree. And the winner, who knocks over the most pins, will get a very nice medal and the Jambowlree badge. So for the competition, you'll need a scorecard or something like this, or you can probably find your own one online. And you'll play 10 frames and add up the score, and the total is your score at the end. Send me a picture or send me the scorecard, and I will then sort out who the winners are and who the runners-up are. I'm sure a lot of you have already done 10-pin bowling before. If you haven't, these are the rules and how to do the scoring. If you already know the rules, you can skip this part. If you're doing your own 10-pin bowling, that you've made your own pins, you need to make sure you have 10 pins, at least one ball or something you can roll. You need to make sure that you are at least 2 meters away from your pins. Make sure you have asked an adult that you can do the bowling, and make sure where you are bowling, it is flat and there's plenty of room for you to bowl your ball. You can make it out of junk modelling things like recycling. I've used milk bottles, and I will show you a little bit of video of what my 10-pin bowling looks like. So these are my homemade bowling pins. As you can see, I've decorated them. So I'd like to see if people do make their own. I'd like to see some decoration and some hard work put into it. And hopefully you can get some more badges if you show your Beaver leader, Scout leader, Cub leader. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!